Hello guys, so today we're gonna learn about strings in Java, okay, which is a very important concept. Many interviewers ask if you're trying for a junior Java developer or even senior. Strings in Java plays a vital role in answering many of your interview questions. Now, many students fail to understand how does it work internally. You may write it on code, that's okay, but how does it work internally is very important to understand. Okay, so first point you need to understand here is string is a class. Okay, string is a class. Okay, string is a class, and this string this string belongs to java dot lang package. Okay, this belongs to java dot lang package. Okay, this is the first point you need to understand, that string is a class in Java. I- I've seen people telling string is a data type. Okay, it's not a primitive data type. It is a class that is belonging to java.lang package. Okay, so that you need to understand very clearly. This is the first point. Please write it in your notes. Now, now, how does it work internally? Let me I know you know the syntax of creating a string. You have seen this many times. String s1 is equal to new string, okay, maybe abcd, okay, right? This you have seen. And you have also seen something like this. String s1 is equal to abcd. Now what is the difference between these both? Okay, what is the difference between these both? Okay, so maybe interview can ask, okay, what is the difference between these? Let us see that very clearly. First, let us understand this part. Okay, when you understand this part is very much easy. Okay, so let me take two strings here. String s1 is equal to English, okay, and string s2 is equal to English. Okay, so these both are S1 and S2, both are English. Okay, the both value is English. Now, here many people think here that S1 will create a separate object, okay, and S2 will create a separate object. Okay, but here there is a twist that you need to understand, that when strings are written in this format, okay, S1 value is English and S2 value is English. These both refer to same value. Okay, these both refer to same value. That means if S1 object is created with value English, S1 object is referring to English. Now, when JVM is going to the second line, it checks S2 what's its values English, same, so it doesn't create a new object s2. No, it refers to the same available value. Okay, now I know still you're confused. What happens in internally? Let us check inside what happens. Okay, everything in Java, the heart of Java is this person, JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay, so I'm taking the same example here. String s1 is equal to English, okay, and string s2 is equal to, okay. Now, so we have something here known as heap memory, okay, and we have our stack, beautiful stack here available, okay. Now when the JVM comes to line 1 of this code, when JVM comes to line 1 of this code, okay, now S1 is English. JVM will check whether the S1 is available in this box. Now, what is this box inside the heap memory? This is known as string pool or memory pool or string constant pool. We have three names for that. So, when JVM comes to line 1, S1 is English. Okay. Now it will check whether S1 is available in string pool of heap memory. No, it is not there. So what it does, it enters here with the value English and it creates a memory 103. Done, done, done now. Now it goes to the second line, that is S2 is English. Okay. Now it again checks the same thing, S2 English, whether English is available here in this string pool. Yes, it is available. It is available. So it doesn't create. Oh, another point I miss here is when S1 English is checked, okay, and it creates it here. So S1 is put here and one not there. Okay. Now 2, when it is checking, it doesn't create a new object. It's already there. English is already there, and its address is 103. The same address is referenced here with, okay, the same address is referenced here. 2 and S1 is referring to the same value. Okay, you are able to notice here S1 and S2 is referring to the same value 103 of the string pool. What 103 contains English. Okay, so this is how this format of writing strings work. Very clear. Okay. What is the advantage of this? What is the advantage of this? Now, now let us see what happens. Okay, before going into advantage, let's see what happens with this string s1 is equal to new string of English. Okay, now I don't want to waste time, so new is very important, so you understand that. String English, right? Now, now what happens here? Let's see, we have seen one format, okay, both are English and both S1 and S2 refers to the same memory, that is 103 that we have seen in the previously. Here it doesn't happen like that. Whenever new is encountered, okay, whenever new is encountered, S1, though its value is English, creates a new object. Okay, S2, though its value is English, okay, both are same. It will create a new. What's happening here? Memory wastage. You're having a something called as memory wastage. But in previous example, you are saving the memory. Okay, you're saving the memory, right? So that is the advantage. So when, okay guys, now let us see this practically. How does this work? Okay, now let me take us two strings. Same example which we have done. So I'm creating two strings. S1 is equal to English. Okay, and I'm taking in another string. S2 is equal to English. Okay. Now I want to check whether these two strings are same. The two string references are same. Is it referring to the same memory pool? Okay. Yes, we have seen it theoretically, but how do we check it practically? Now, if you want to check two objects having the same reference to the memory, you can use S1 equal to S2. Okay, so uh, let me write it. Println both are same. Okay. Else both are different. Okay. So what's your guess? What will be your output? It will be this is what I'm guessing. So let us check. Let us run. Okay. So we can see the output. It's both are same. Okay. So the same thing. I'm just changing this here to new string. I'm giving a string literal English here. Okay, and I'm doing the same thing. Just copying the same thing here. I'll just run it here. Both are different. So whatever we have learned, we are saying it live. Okay, so I hope you understood this concept. Okay, any doubt you have, you can put it in the comments. Thank you.